In this video we're gonna perform a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I'm gonna show you what accessories can we find inside and how the phone does look like. So of course now Samsung doesn't really provide much accessories, just like many other manufacturers as well, but it is what it is. So let's get right into it. We're gonna still see what we can find here. So pretty much straight away we can see our phone. We can also see this paper box in here. And we're gonna actually start with that first. Let me actually put this to the side. There we go. We're gonna see what accessories do we get here. So in the case of Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, over here, if we open this paper box, then you should be able to find, there we go. We have the SIM tray, the eject tool for the SIM tray. We have the papers, we have a bunch of papers in here. We have the USB-C cable, and that is pretty much all. So as you can see, pretty standard, nothing really unusual. We can also take a look at the phone, of course, now. So over here we have our phone. There we go. Now on the left side, there are no buttons, of course. On the right side, we can find volume buttons and the power button. At the back, naturally, we have our cameras and the flashlight. At the top, we have the microphone and the air vent hole. And of course, the bottom of the phone, nothing unusual as well. We have the USB-C port, we have the speaker, we have the microphone, SIM tray, and the S Pen. There we go. So as you can see, the S Pen is of course included, and we can easily, use it on our device. So that is pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Unfortunately, no power adapter, no protective case, nothing really outstanding in here. Leave a like and subscribe.